Hey everyone, today I have the pleasure to introduce you to our innovative Plastic All-in-One and show you how to achieve perfect clarity on your clear plastics. Plastic All-in-One is the perfect solution to effortlessly polish, restore, and protect a variety of glossy plastic surfaces such as headlights, taillights, B-pillars, interior trim, gauges, instrument clusters, convertible windows, motorcycle windscreens, boat windows, and more. As with all all-in-one products, this product contains an abrasive element along with a protection package to improve your tired-looking plastic finishes in one easy step. The sophisticated formula features refined sub-micron abrasive technology to remove yellowing, dullness, oxidation, and imperfections such as swirl marks and light scratches with ease, restoring the original clarity. The party doesn't stop there, as once you've removed those unsightly imperfections, this all-in-one formula leaves behind a durable protective barrier to preserve your work. Employing advanced SiO2, resin, and silane technology, your glossy and perfected plastics will be protected from oxidation and dullness, yellowing, and water spots in one quick and easy step. This versatile formula is easy to use and works great by hand or random orbital application. Ensure your plastic surface is clean and, if necessary, decontaminated. Likewise, if your plastic surface abuts sensitive materials such as painted panels or interior materials, we suggest taping off the area to prevent unwanted interaction with other materials. From there, simply butter an orange film correcting pad, then make 3 to 4 passes over the working surface with moderate pressure and overlapping passes. If you're using an orbital, a mid-range speed setting is all you need. Typically, your work area should not exceed 2 foot by 2 foot, however, we suggest letting the panel be your guide. For enhanced defect removal to eliminate heavier defects, use a Boss microfiber pad with your orbital. Following each section, wipe off residue with a microfiber plush edgeless towel to reveal pristine, glistening plastic. To maximize durability of the ceramic protection package, be sure to allow 12 to 24 hours before exposing the plastic surface to water. When it comes to renewing and protecting your glossy plastic surfaces, Plastic All-in-One has you covered, delivering exceptional results and impressive protection to your very important plastic surfaces. For more information and reference materials, check out our how-to section on griotsgarage.com and sign up for our emails for new product releases and special promotions. Thank you for watching, and as always, have fun in your garage.